everyone, my name is Roma and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today with me I have my nephew Shlok and we are going to be doing a Domino's mukbang. Now I googled the word mukbang and how it's pronounced. They have many pronunciations. It's mukbang, mukbang and mukbang. So I'm going to say mukbang. So we are doing Domino's today. Last time we had done McDonald's and you all said that you need a little more food than that. So I have brought a little more food this time. So let me show you all what's there today on my table. Also guys, I asked you all on Instagram to ask us a few questions, so we are going to answer that as well. So let's start with the video. Let's open up these boxes. So I have a fruity here which is for Shlok. So then this is potato cheese shots. 1 2 3 4 5, only 5 pieces. That's a little conjuice. Next up, I have boneless chicken wings, peri peri chicken wings. Shlok, do you like wings?
Yes.
Smells good. It smells good. And then here I have Shlok's favorite pizza, and that is, what is it, Shlok?
Cheese corn pizza.
Cheese corn pizza. Alright, now we can start eating. And Shlok, I'm going to ask you questions one by one and you have to answer them, okay? Alright, let's start. So the first question is, what you both do when you are bored? What do we do when we are bored, Shlok?
We go out and see cars.
We go out on our terrace and we watch the cars go by. That's what we like to do when we are bored, right?
Yes.
So Shlok, how is the golden corn? It's a golden corn pizza which Shlok loves. So I'm just going to try the cheese potato shots for now. It's fine. It's become a little warm now. Like it's not hot. It's become a little cold. Alright, next question. Favorite Goan veg dish of you both? Which is that one dish which we both love, Shlok, and that is veg?
Rasa.
Say it aloud.
Rasa.
So it is batat rasa that my mom makes. If you have seen my previous lockdown video series vlogs, then you must have seen that my mom had made batat rasa and I had mentioned that we both enjoy it. So the next question is, how are Shlok's online classes going on?
Good.
They're going good. They got over last week. And now Shlok, in which standard are you?
Second.
Second standard. Alright. What is Shlok's favorite dish? What is Shlok's favorite dish?
Maggie.
Shlok's favorite dish is Maggie. And what is your favorite dish from Domino's?
Stuffed garlic bread.
So Shlok loves stuffed garlic bread from Domino's. So Shlok, should they try it?
Yes.
And is that good?
Yes.
Okay. Next up, do you both fight? Do we fight?
Yes.
We fight a lot, but it's just temporary and we cannot stay without each other, right? Right. Shlok is busy eating. Next question is, how are you both related? So Shlok is my nephew. I am his aunt. Shlok is my sister's son, right?
Yes.
But we are like brother and sister. I tie him Rakhi every year, right Shlok?
Yes.
So we both are like brother and sisters. So someone has said so excited to see. So thank you so much. I hope you will see this video. Next question is, Shlok, which is your favorite Maushi? Now Maushi means aunt. Shlok, which is your favorite Maushi?
Upu is my favorite Maushi. Tonu is my favorite friend. And you are my favorite sister.
Okay, so besides my elder sister, his mom, we are 3 of us. And he said that Apurva is his favorite aunt. Tanvi, my other sister, is his favorite and best friend, and I am his favorite sister. So he has given equal love and importance to each and every one of us, so that we don't feel bad, right? So what do you think that happiness? I think this question means, what do you do that gives you happiness? For me, it's filming videos and spending time with Shlok. So What is that one thing that gives you happiness?
Playing with my dog and
Playing with your dog. And what's your dog's name?
lucky.
Shlok's dog's name is Lucky. I shall put a picture here for you guys to see. And Shlok, what is that one thing which you love to do? Play with him. So Shlok is here and his dog is very far. Shlok, are you missing him?
Yes.
Yes. Alright. Which standard is Shlok in and what is his favorite subject?
I'm in second standard.
And which is your favorite subject?
Maths. Maths. Maths.
Maths. He's just in second standard, that's why his favorite subject is maths. Meet me when you are in 8th, 9th, okay? What do you like in maths, Shlok?
Subtraction.
Okay, what is 5 minus 3?
Two.
Very good. Okay. Okay, this question is for me. Hi Roma, how did you begin your YouTube journey? What led you to? I don't know, I used to love watching YouTube videos and I thought why not start my own channel. So I started. And there is a little backstory to it. I have explained in many of my Q&A videos. So I shall link them all in the description below. Do check it out. So Shlok, next question is, which school does Shlok go to?
Monovikas.
Which school? Say it loudly.
Monovikas.
And where is the school located?
Margao.
Margao, Goa. Monovikas. Next up, someone has asked, Kon Saglan Bora, Roma or Shlok? Who is better, Roma or Shlok? I think we are both equal. Am I right? Alright, next. What's the age difference between you two? So what is the age difference between us? Shlok, what is the age difference between us?
I don't know.
You don't know? 16 and a half years. So he was born when I was in the 12th or 11th or 12th standard. I was 16. So let's give the questions a little break and let's concentrate on eating for some time now. Look, is the pizza good? How is it made? It's nice?
Yes.
Also this is okay. I'm yet to try this. So I'm going to try this. They are spicy chicken boneless wings, peri peri. They are kind of like chicken nuggets, spiced chicken nuggets. They're okay. They are spicy. Alright, let's continue with the questions. Okay. Your favorite movie? Shlok, which is that one movie which we enjoy watching together? Minions. We like watching Minions. And
Mr. Bean.
Mr. Bean on TV sometimes. And other than that, which is your favorite movie, Shlok?
Secret Superstar.
Shlok loves Secret Superstar, Tare Zameen Par, this kind of movies. Tara Rampam, Thoda Pyar, Thoda Magic, he loves that kind of movies. One thing you like and hate about each other. So the one thing I like about I love everything about Shlok, and one thing I hate about him is that he is become very naughty these days and he doesn't listen sometimes. So that's what I hate about him. So Shlok, what is that one thing you hate about me and like about me? I'm so good that there is nothing you can say.
I hate you when you become angry.
Okay, this is my bad habit. I do get angry very soon. I will try to control it slow. And what is it one thing that you like about me? What is it one thing you like about me? You like one thing or you like everything?
I like everything.
Rishwat. What are your views on a national lockdown? I think lockdown should be done on those states which are necessary, not national. I think there are some states in India which don't have as many cases as there are in some states. So I don't think there is a need of a national lockdown, but there are some states which need lockdown, like our Goa. It definitely needs a major lockdown. So someone has asked me, this is your son? No, he's not my son, he's my nephew. And what's your video editing software? Such a boring question. I've answered this so many times. So there is no one editing software. My sister Tanvi edits my videos, so most of my videos, so she knows better. Yeah, sometimes even I edit my videos. So there are many videos. There is one short cut. It's good. And I think we're done with the questions. So let's concentrate on eating only. We are almost done. Shlok loves Domino's. What does he love from Domino's? Stuffed cheese garlic bread.
Stuffed garlic bread.
So what is the stuffing inside? Does it have cheese?
Yes. Cheese, corn and jalapenos.
Shlok loves jalapenos. Are we pronouncing it correctly? Jalapenos. Jalapeno. Jalapenos. And this is one pizza that Shlok enjoys. Right? So guys, do let us know what next mukbang we should film. Shlok, what is the next one that you want to do?
Pizza Hut.
But we are having pizza. Not now. Next time we won't have pizza.
Subway.
We can do KFC. We can do Subway. And what else? So Shlok, when is your school starting? Sang re.
2nd June.
So Shlok has done some fashion over here with the cap, because Shlok has done his summer look haircut. So would you like to show it? Your summer haircut. Show it. Okay, it's okay. And I hope you guys enjoyed this small mukbang video. We also enjoyed filming and eating. And next time we are going to do some more interesting food options. And if you like this video, please do give it a big like. I'm ending the video, Shlok. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. What should they do, Shlok? Like this video.
Share this video.
Share this video with your friends and family, and
Subscribe.
And subscribe to my channel to show me some support, so that we can get some more such fun videos for you guys. And come back tomorrow for a new video. Bye.
Roma, tu galgo atande.
So उस रेड बटन क्लिक कर.